Very good. Okay. And then we'll do our leg checks to check the if there's any imbalance in there. Okay. And then we go in there and check the sacrum. Okay, which way it is rotated or subluxated, because we got to make sure that the sacrum is in the right alignment. For the baby's head to always be head down. Now, for this technique, it's called the activator method. The activator method is a small little instrument. What it does here is it sends an impulse into the segment that needs to be adjusted, and it's very, very gentle way of adjusting the spine.